These activities from the lesson The Wise Judgment, Unit 6. The Wise Judgment lesson, workbook part, worksheet 6.1. Read the text from the lesson and answer the following. A poor traveler to mouth water. This is the paragraph from the lesson. This is the paragraph. A poor traveler to mouth water. By reading this paragraph, we should answer the given questions in the workbook part. The activity in the workbook is read the text from the lesson and answer the following. A poor travel to mouth water. Identify 6-lettered words. The word contains 6 letters only. So we should identify the 6-lettered word given passage. A poor traveler to mouth water. From the above passage and write their meanings with the help of a dictionary. Should write the 6-lettered word meaning with the help of dictionary. So we should use here dictionary to write the 6-lettered words meanings. In these two passages, from these two passages, we should pick 6-lettered words. First word street, little, pocket, around, or people passed. These are the 6-lettered words. We should write the meanings from dictionary. First 6-lettered word is street. The meaning of street is a public road in a city. This is the meaning of street. Next word little. Little, small in size. Little means chinnadi, size lo chinnadi. Next word is pocket. A small bag sewn on clothing. Means ఒక చిన్న బ్యాగ్ లాగా మనకి కుట్టబడిన మన బట్ట మీద కుట్టబడింది. Around. Located on every side. Located on every side is the meaning of around. These are the 6-lettered words we pick from the given passages. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks using the hints given in the box. Hints సహాయంతో ఖాళీలను పూరించండి. Penny, cooking pot, smell, people, town. These are the hints. First blank is a poor traveler was walking through the streets of a town. Where do we streets? In our town we have streets. So town. He had spent his last. What did he spend? Penny. Penny means money. Rupee, or we called our money as rupees. Like they call their money as pennies. He saw several people sitting round the fire. Several people sitting round the fire. On the fire there was a large cooking pot. Cooking pot. Next, third Roman, write names of food items you know one has been done for you. Food items, what do we eat or called food items? Some of the names of food items we should write here. Chapati, idli, dosa, puri. Next, bread, or so many we have. Bajji. You can write more as you can write as you wish. This is worksheet 6.2, page number here 95. Read the text from the lesson and answer the following. The owner to the man doing this. This is the paragraph in the lesson. Write some sentences using the table given below. Pattiga adharanga sentences రాయండి. He, Raju, Kamala, Naveen took the pieces of dry bread, the pencil, the money, the flower out of his pocket, out of his bag, out of his wallet, out of the vase. These are the sentences we should form. First sentence, he took, should add one to each other. He took the piece of dry bread out of his pocket. Okay, out of his pocket. This is the sentence from the passage. The owner to the man doing this. Remaining are we should write own. In our own we should write Raju again took. Next, the pencil out of his pocket or out of his bag. Out of his bag we can write. Next, Kamala took the money. Where do we took out our money? Out of his wallet. Wallet means purse. Okay, wallet. Naveen took the flower out of the vase. Vase means flower pot. Okay, next. Second Roman, write the missing letters to make meaningful words. పూరించండి. Missing letters. Owner. What is this word? Owner. Customer. Customers. OWNER. Owner. CUSTOMER. Customer. MONEY. Money. POCKET. Pocket. Imagine. IMAGINE. Imagines. SMEL. Smell. ANGRY. Angry. HOUSE. House. KEEPER. Housekeeper. Next, write the words by adding ly to the root words. These are called root words. Should you add these ly to each word? So first word is slow plus ly, slowly. Next word is quick plus ly, quickly. Next word is rough plus ly, roughly. Smooth plus ly, smoothly. Love plus ly, lovely. This is worksheet 6.3. Read the text from the lesson and answer the following. He took hold dash to pay. We should concentrate this. We should read this paragraph. Find the past forms of the verbs from the above paragraph and write them below. One has been done for you. We should find out the past form of the verbs in this paragraph. Passage loni past forms verbs nu gurtinchi raayandi. This is the paragraph. He took hold his arms roughly and hurried him around the corner to the magistrate's court. Now it so happened that Nasruddin the scholar was acting as the to pay me. This is the paragraph. We should read and write the past tense form of the verb. In this passage, we can write hurried also past tense form of the verb, and happened also past tense form of the verb happened. Next, asked is the past form of ask, and came is the past form of come, and helped is the past form of help, and cooked is the past form of cook, forced is the past form of force. These are the past forms of the verbs. So we write these verbs, these words. So hurried is past form of the hurry. Happened is past form of happened. Asked is past form of ask. Next, came is past form of come. Helped is past form of help. Cooked is past form of cook. Forced is past form of force. These are the past forms for forced. These are the past forms in the paragraph. Next, unscramble the letters to make meaningful words. One has been done for you. Here jumbled letters are there. We should form as a meaningful word. So round. Here this is corner. This is court. COURT, court. This is magistrate. MAGISTARATE, magistrate. This is scholar. SCHOLAR, scholar. This is matter. MATTER, matter. This is helped. Smell. SMELL, smell. Cooked. COOKED, cooked. This is forced. FORCED, forced. These are the meaningful words. Circle the odd one from the following words. వేరుగా ఉన్న పదాన్ని సర్కిల్ చేయండి. నసరుద్దీన్, eating housekeeper, poor man, pot. These are these three words about persons. This is the thing. So this is the odd one. So we should circle like this. Meatballs, chapatis, magistrate, rice. Meatballs, chapatis, rice are food items, and magistrate is not a food item, so we should circle like this. Next, court, angry, school, office. Court, school, officer, working places. Angry is the one of the emotions, so angry we should circle. Himself, herself, themselves, scholar. Himself, them, herself, themselves are talking about ourselves or others. This is scholar is different one, so we should circle like this.